project.
Ay, ano na naman bagay ang iyong yan?
This is our new project, and we are using a condenser mic with 4017 IC, and our output is an LED with street components, and this is the power LED.
Ay, ano na naman ang... ano yan?
Let us connect the supply. Power LED turns on. Let us now test the circuit. So when we clap, LED turns on. Clap again, LED turns off. That is our new project.
Ay, paano mo nagawa yan?
Let us now first see the pin out of CD4017B IC. This is sequencer. So we have this pin number 14, which is the clock. Since we know that this is a sequencer, it has an output of 3, 2, 4, 7, 10, 1, 5, 6, 9, 11, and number 12 is the carry out to be connected to the next the same 4017 IC. That is the use of this pin number 12. From 3 to 11, that is the output, and it has its own sequence. Once we inject a clock to the pin number 14, once we have this positive clock, the output 3, there is an output in pin number 3, and there's no output from 2 to 11. Injecting another clock, it will advance the count from 2 to now is the on. 2 is on, 3 is off, and 4 up to 11 is off. Injecting another clock will make this pin number 2 to off, to turn off, 3 off. Now the pin number 4 is on. It will continue advancing the count from 3 to 11. So that is the sequencing whenever we inject a clock. Clock inhibit pin number 13 is to be grounded in order to enable the clock pulse or this clock pin. Pin number 15 is the reset. It will reset the circuit. So this LED turns on because we have the power. What is the use of this resistor? This is used to power this microphone because this is condenser mic, JPET type mic. So it needs a power from the 9 volts. What is the use of this capacitor? That is a coupling capacitor in order not to interfere biasing of the transistor. What is this transistor? This is preamplifier. It is already on because we have the current that flows from 1 mega ohm resistor to the base emitter. The current flows into the collector to the emitter via 220 ohms resistor K, 220K, 220K, then to the collector to the emitter. And then what's the use of this capacitor? That is to stabilize or to prevent from pulse triggering. Initially, the transistor is on. Once we clap, we are now having this analog signal, generating an analog signal, passing through this capacitor. An AC signal is capable of passing through the capacitor, injecting it through the base, causing this small analog signal caused by the clap to inject into the pin number 14. So we're injecting now a positive voltage from the clap or the signal from the sounds generated by the clap. So initially, pin number 3 is on. But here we don't have pin number 3. Okay? That's why when we clap, it advances to the next pin number 2. It will turn on the LED. Once we clap again, it will turn off the pin number 2 because now the output will toggle or We'll advance again to the another pin number 4. So pin number 4 now is on and pin number 2 is off. That's why it is off. Once we clap again, and then pin number 4 is connected to the reset pin. It means we're going to reset the circuit back to the initial state. So that is the reason why it will make this LED to turn on and off by using this sequencer.